Another month, another budget video. Welcome back to our channel. I realize more and more people actually watch my finance videos than they watch anything else on my channel. So it is officially our channel because we are in this debt-free journey together. I know that I'm already in the second half of October, but that is just how life works. So let's start with last month because last month was very interesting. Besides the fact that I had to spend 800 Rand towards electricity simply because there was something wrong with our geyser. It wasn't warming up and our landlord had done something. That something had made our electricity be finished by like the 17th of September and not after payday, which usually happens, and I was mad. However, Courtney and I actually found a workaround because when you switch the geyser on, it automatically just starts getting warm within like a half an hour or so. So instead of putting the geyser on at like 10 o'clock in the morning, we now put it on at like 5:30 in the evening, because then we wash between like 7:30 and 8 and then we switch it off. And then another thing that happened is that I got a funeral policy. So the debit order went off on the 1st of October. I just decided after my whole grandma's fiasco with her funeral, I thought it was literally time to get my own. Even though I am donating my body to science, they can also reject my body, so that is an option. Also the money's not going to go to waste. I do have the option to, or whoever is going to bury me has the option to take the money and use a different funeral provider or go with the actual funeral provider itself. So nothing's to waste. For both Courtney and I, it is about 210 Rand for both 30,000 Rand cover. So that's what we are going with. So that's a new policy on our policy category. For the month of October, a little bit interesting, I had asked for a salary review from my second job. So this is the second time I've asked for a salary review from both my employers, but with my second job, my part-time job, this one is really interesting because I haven't gotten an increase in almost the 6 years that I've worked there. I did get one, but that's because it's two entities, so I was doing work for the second entity and I just thought it was fair that I get compensated for that. So it's not technically an increase. However, he had given me a 10% increase. So not a lot, but I'm gonna take it, it's fine. And then something interesting is gonna happen next month, which I will tell you once we get there. The salary for the month of October did increase a little bit, and Courtney also got a little bit extra this month, but I'm enjoying this debt-free break, particularly this month, because I just have been having such a ball of a time with the extra money that we have. You know, we've been going out and buying books, things like that, and I know it's gonna come to an end. There is a possibility that next month I might also take another break, just because there's just so much engagement happening in the month of November, but I will talk about or elaborate on that once we get there. So for this month, the recurring expenses are basically the same. Petrol is still a big concern for me, as well as food. And then our personal care had gone up by like about 150 Rand, which is fine. So policies, all our policies went off, and now we've got this additional one, which is the funeral policy. And then for debt is the normal. It's just Courtney's debt that goes off. If you might not be aware, I now have my credit card. I still have it, it's just on this particular limit, so every month I just pay the whole credit card in full, and I use that credit card for food, petrol, water and electricity, personal care, and you know, there's a little bit extra for, you know, when things go over. Wouldn't count under debt because I pay it every month with the recurring expenses. And then for savings, I've only put in for access fund and then emergency fund as well, so I always make sure that emergency fund, even if I don't have savings, it's fine. And then for extras this month, we had to service the car. So you guys know, when you have to service the car, it's just a whole other ball game. When I ate quite a bit out, but I have no regrets with regards to that. We bought some clothing. Like I said, we've really been enjoying the month of October this fall, and just done bits and pieces here and there. I also still have to do my tax returns. I did quote this tax returns, but I still have to do my own. So that's something that I want to do before I get a penalty type vibe. But other than that, no extra financial information or anything like that. But if you have anything that you want to share with me or with people watching this video, please let us know in the comment section below. Also make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, because every little bit helps to support it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.